Okay, so today we'll have exercise on inheritance. Okay, so for now we have a new project on intelligence. I want you to create three classes. One is called person, one is called teacher, one is called student, and I also want you to create another one called uh, uh, school student. Okay, and using inheritance, I want you to create inheritance relationship between the four classes. Can you do this? And of course, when you create these four classes, in each class you will put the suitable uh, variables and methods inside each of them. Is it clear?
Yep.
Okay, so start. You know what you're gonna do. Just start now, and I'm here to help. No need to create a package. Okay, create a package. You can call it inheritance. Inheritance. And by the way, any package name should begin with small letter, not capital. It's okay,
Okay.
just for your information. No, this is a class, so it should begin with capital letter. There is a difference between class and package. For class, it should begin with capital letter. For package, it should begin with a small letter. No, you should not put main method here inside this human. Human, you should put some variables and methods that represent the properties and behavior of human.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, good, great, great. So every human has name and age. Okay, that's enough for the properties. You can add one more, and then I want you to, that's enough. Okay, I want you to add some methods, behavior methods to this human. So each human has name, has age, and the job. Okay. What about behavior? Name, age, job are properties. Now these methods will represent the behavior. Okay, working is good. Okay, working. Human is working. Good.
Um,
You need help?
uh, I'm just trying to
Oh,
think of other things.
it's very easy. Think about behavior
Too
done by
easy.
human.
Yeah. Eating.
Yes, eating, drinking, walking. Right. That's enough. Like we have three properties and three methods in the human class. Now,
Student.
wait, student is a class and I just told you a while ago. Class must begin with capital letter, not a small letter.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, great. So now we have the class student and it extends human. So it means student inherit all variables and methods inside human. And then we should add in the student class some other variables and methods that are uh, uniquely declared for students, not applied to humans, only for students. So what are the certain variables or properties or behavior that can be specified for students? Okay, Studying is a
Something
behavior.
better than that.
Yeah, it can be a method, not a variable.
Um,
Feel free to ask for it. Yeah, okay. Let me help you. Like student ID, you can put student ID. You can put grade, right? Uh, you said faculty. Faculty should be string. You put it integer, and faculty is not something for all students. It's not common between all students. Like you have some, yeah, maybe it can be applied for college students, but not for all students. So
yeah.
I prefer remove this one. If you want to put it, you can put it in the other class that we will create later for the college student. Okay. I
Like
don't know what
a uniform.
I don't know what is attire. Uniform.
Like a
Okay.
uniform.
Uniform color. Okay. Uniform color. What a uniform. Okay. Whatever.
It could be a Boolean too. Boolean maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Boolean. Like if uniform is required, it will be true. Uniform is not required, it will be false. Okay. Good. Good job. So yeah, now we have 3 variables. You are making progress in object-oriented programming. Now you can think how to create objects and classes more efficiently.
Yeah, lots of practice.
Student is studying. You can put one more. One more is enough.
Okay.
What it could be. Attend class. Okay.
Like what do you call it?
Attend class. If you want, you can put specialization. It cannot be a behavior.
Too vague. Too vague.
Do exams, attend class.
Yeah.
All these are examples of student behavior. And better to leave one line space between the variables and the methods. Yeah, okay. Now your code look nice. I think that's enough for the student class. Let's create one more class. As I
This one was called. What was this one again? This was a student.
I want you to create one more class called teacher class.
Oh yeah, teacher.
Yes, exactly. Teacher is a human. Teacher is not a student.
Mhm.
So teacher should extend the human class, not the student class.
Mhm.
Do you remember what kind of relationship, inheritance relationship between teacher and student?
They're opposite. They're both opposite.
Like both of them share the same parent, right? So
Mhm.
teacher and student, both of them are children of the human class, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
true. That's true.
yeah. So now, yeah, we should put also some properties and behavior for the teacher class.
Mhm. Um,
Okay, specialization. You can put salary if you want.
okay. And
Uh, then you need to add some behavior to the teacher.
two's good. Two is good enough, right? Two variables is good enough. Um,
Now, for the sake of simplicity, I accept making all functions public void, taking no parameters, and simply print one statement. But we will make it more complex later, okay?
Mhm.
So now are you done with teacher? We have
Mm,
two variables and two methods. It's okay. That's enough for me for now. I want you to create last class, okay, which is called college student.
college student.
Okay, but student should begin with capital letter because college is a name, is a word, student is a different word. So by that capital letter, we detect that this one is the beginning of the second word. This is the naming convention in Java, okay? Because the spaces are not allowed between one word and another,
Okay.
right? So Yeah, to indicate the second word, you should begin it with capital letter. And again, you should not put main method here in this college student.
Oh, this is another one. This is not the object. We're not making the objects.
Yes.
Okay. We're making another instance. Okay. College student. Oh, the college student. That's a specialization.
Just
Okay.
now, before you forget, make the inheritance relationship for
Oh,
college student before you forget. Okay, college student is a human, but is this the right class?
oh,
That should be the parent of the student, of the college
student.
student. Yes, exactly. It should be a student, not human. It's already
So
human because
yeah.
student, even student is already a human. It inherited from human. But now I'm creating a new class called college student. Okay, so this college student have or should inherit all the properties and behavior in the student class. So it should extend the student class. Then you can specify some uh, behavior and properties specifically for the college student. Okay,
Mhm.
now you can put the faculty, career, college name, major, degree, whatever you want, you can put. What does this number of students do here?
In like number of.
Like he is already only an instance of one student. So
Okay.
mm,
Mm,
we can put number of students in the college class, for example. If we have a college class, we can put number of students or classroom class. Okay, situation. Okay, somehow accepted. Like how much the student pays to enroll in the college. It's okay.
mm,
I don't mind, even if it's not the best way to describe a college student, but still works. So it's fine.
how about mm, how about wait. Mm, what should I put there? What should be the behavior?
You can say you hold a degree, for example.
Holding degree.
Mm. You can put another one called graduate. And many options actually. You just have to think about it. Like you can uh, participate in workshops, do graduation projects, right?
Yes.
Mm. So is it enough or you want to add more?
That's good.
Okay, great. So now we have the four class. We made the inheritance between each one of them. We put in each one some variables and methods. Okay, describing the class. Now I want to, in the inheritance package, I want you to create a new class. You can call it inheritance main. You can give it any name. And now in this new class, you can put the main method. And now I want you to create objects, okay, of these classes. You set values for the variables, print the variables, print the method, or call the methods of each class, okay? And show me how you can call the methods or the properties of the parent class from the child objects. You understand?
Kind of. What do you want me to name it?
Call it inheritance main. Yeah, let's move step by step. Inheritance main. Whatever we ignore the
Inheritance.
spelling. Okay,
Inheritance
main.
main.
Yes. Now here in inheritance main, you can put the main method. Now I want you to create objects of the four classes.
Of the student class?
Of the
Or
of all of them.
okay, I'll do human first. No, yeah, I'll do
Okay,
human
yeah, you
maybe.
can move one by one, human, student, teacher, whatever. Like the sequence is not an issue. Okay, now we have four objects of the four classes. I wanted to use each object to call its available variables and methods. And don't forget to set values, okay, for the variables.
Do you want them? Do you want the list? You want them in the parameter inside the parameter?
No, not for now.
Okay.
Not for now. We will do it later on in the next step. I want to move step by step, and we begin with the simple first, and then we get complex. So you feel the program getting gradually more difficult, but it's okay. You are doing so far. You are
Yeah.
doing very well.
Thanks. I know a little bit about parameters. Parameters is pretty straightforward, I think.
Yes, it's easy. It's easy. All you need is practice, more practice. You will get much better. So as you can see here from the teacher class, you can still call name, age, job, which are inherited from the human class, but you can call it from the teacher object.
Okay.
So here, specialization should be English and job should be teaching, teacher.
Let's put English.
To make sense, this job should be teacher,
Teacher. Okay.
not the specialization. Specialization is English, it's correct. Okay, about the job. Job
Teacher.
is not English, job is a teacher. This way makes more sense, right?
Mhm.
Because here's the main use of creating classes and objects. We are trying to, represent a real life object in the code, right?
Mhm.
So in real life, if you ask someone about his job, he will not say, I work as an English, but he will say, I work as a teacher, right?
Yeah, true.
There is no yes or no for Boolean. It's only true or false.
Yeah, true.
Okay, but with a small letter.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, that's enough. Run your program.